In this video, we'll be solving question number 3 from exercise 7b of ratio and proportion. Find the value of x in a given proportion. We'll be solving these particular sums in this session. Earlier, we have solved sums related to check if the given numbers are in proportion or not. The concept that we used is that product of means is equal to product of extremes. If both the values are same, then we say the given numbers are in proportion. We have solved a couple of sums related to check if the given number are in proportion. If you're yet to watch those videos, the link is given in the description below. Kindly have a look at those particular videos before you try to solve this sum. The fourth sum, x is to 1.6 is as 2.1 is to 8.4. We need to find the value of x given that the numbers are in proportion. Here x is in the extreme position, so we are going to equate product of extremes to product of means. So x into 8.4 is equal to 1.6 into 2.1. So what is x? X is equal to 1.6 into 2.1 divided by 8.4. The multiplicative form of 8.4 becomes division when it comes to the other side of the equation. This particular sum, let's try cancelling without removing the decimal place. See, 2.1 and 8.4. 2.1 4 times gives you 8.4. So we can cancel 2.1 and 8.4. And now we have 4 and 1.6. 4 into 0.4 gives you 1.6. If you have a confusion, you can try dividing 1.6 with 4 to find the quotient. Now the value of x is equal to 0.4. At any point of time, if you feel direct cancellation with decimals is confusing, then please multiply the numerator and the denominator with the powers of 10 depending upon the number of decimal places. You have to multiply both. You can't just multiply only the numerator or only the denominator. You will land up getting the wrong value. Always remember, if there are two decimal places in the numerator, then you have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with 100. If you have one decimal place, then we multiply and divide with 10. Moving on to the next sum, we have 1 by 9 is to x is as 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. We need to find the value of x given that these numbers are in proportion. Here x is in the mean position, so we are going to equate product of means with product of extremes. So we have x into 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 9 into 1 by 4. So x is equal to 1 by 9 into 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 3. Isn't it? Multiplicative form becomes division. So the division 1 by 3, when it goes to the numerator, it becomes 3 by 1. It is shown in the rough column. Please have a look if you have a confusion. So 1 by 9 into 1 by 4 into 3 by 1. 3 and 9 gets cancelled. 3 times 1, 3 times 3. So now we have x is equal to 1 by 12. Therefore, value of x is equal to 1 by 12. So when you have a fractional form, when it goes to the other side of the equation, the multiplicative form becomes division form and it has to reciprocate. That is a very important point to be noted when you have sums in the fractional form and when you move from one side of the equation to the other side of the equation. I hope the sum is clear. In this sum, we have 16 is to x is as x is to 25. We need to calculate the value of x. You might be wondering, all the sums that we had solved never had 2x, isn't it? But in this particular sum, we have 2x. So how do we solve such type of sums? Again, the same concept. Since they say the numbers are in proportion, we have to equate product of means with product of extremes to find the value of x. Now, if you look at it carefully, x is in the mean position. We are going to take product of means is equal to product of extremes. So x into x is equal to 16 into 25. So x into x is equal to x squared. How did I get x squared? Whenever a variable is written, the power of the variable, if it's not specified, then it is assumed to be 1. So when we multiply the variables, their powers get added. X into x is not 2x, that is addition. But here we are multiplying both the variables. So x into x is equal to x squared. Remember, when you multiply the variables, you need to add their powers. If the powers are not given, we assume it to be 1. Now, x squared is equal to 16 into 25. So what is x? We need to find the square root of 16 into 25. Like 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. So what's the square root of 25? Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 16 is 4. And multiply 4 into 5, we get the value of x is equal to 20. I hope all the sums related to finding the value of x is very clear. Remember, whenever they say the numbers are in proportion, then we have to equate product of means with product of extremes, or product of extremes with product of means to find the value of x. I hope the sum is clear. In case you have any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. We'll certainly try and respond. Hope this video helped you to learn something new today. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. Take care and bye-bye.